Shifting focus after Samajwadi Party Supremo Mulayam Singh seemingly sounded the poll bugle asking party workers to be prepared for early elections, BSP chief Mayawati has now done the same. Addressing a rally in Nagpur, Mayawati laid bare her national ambitions, asking her workers to ensure a big win for her in the next Lok Sabha elections so that she can deliver the Independence Day speech from the Red Fort.
आप लोगों को देश में इन दोनों पार्टियों व इनके गठबंधन दलों को किसी भी कीमत पर या केंद्र व राज्यों की सत्ता में वापस नहीं आने देना है.
The BSP chief making her prime ministerial ambitions clear, ironically while addressing a rally in Nagpur.
रात दिन मेहनत करके यहाँ अपने राज्य में व केंद्र में भी अपनी पार्टी बीएसपी को इस सत्ता में लाने का पूरा प्रयास करना होगा.
Mayawati spelling out a desire to become the Prime Minister, asking her workers to ensure a big win so that she can call the shots at the national stage. Speaking behind this replica of the Red Fort, which Maya says could be where she dreams of delivering a speech one day. But she's not the only regional bigwig aiming for the top post. SP chief and her arch-rival Mulayam too has cautioned his party cadres to ready for early elections.
ये कांग्रेस राहुल को आगे बढ़ा रही है, नरेंद्र मोदी को भारतीय जनता पार्टी बढ़ा रही है. एक सवाल करना चाहता हूं, क्या ये दोनों लोग किसान हैं? भारतवर्ष में जब कृषक किसान कोई प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा तभी इस देश का विकास होगा. सभी लोग माननीय मुलायम सिंह यादव की तरफ ही देख रहे हैं कि इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने.
And Mulayam's workers believe he could be fit for the top post. But beyond the political angling and the rhetoric is the significance of such statements. Two influential parties at the national stage, in both are getting ready for early elections, one predicting it as early as September this year. Bureau Report, Times Now.